Okay, so welcome back. This is part 11 of my personal messaging system series. And in the last video, we pretty much finished up on we did finish up on the create message file, the create message page. So you can just go in and create a message and send it to someone. Now what we're going to do is we're going to work on the delete message file, page, thing, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to be using these checkboxes for the messages that is automatically generated, uniquely, of course, to each, for each message. So I took a little break at like 10-15 minutes between filming these, between making these part 10 and part 11. To try to figure out how I want to do this, and I think I've got it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the create message page. I'm going to hit Control A, Control C, and I'm going to hit Control N, Control V, and Control S. So if you're confused, then don't worry. Delete underscore message.php, I guess. I guess that's what we'll call it. If only I could spell correctly, that'd be nice. So, in case you're wondering what I just did, is I just copy and pasted everything. I selected everything from the create message file and copy and pasted it into the delete message file, which we just created and saved. So, yeah. So once again, we're going to get rid of all of the code inside of the page. We have that. So we need to go back to our index page, and we need to scroll up right before the while loop. We're going to do this for the inbox and the outbox section, and we're going to echo some stuff out. So the things we're going to echo out are, we're going to echo out our messages div. So messages and div. And inside of this, we're going to have the left side, and we're going to end the left side. Then we're going to go back over here, do this and that. And I'm going to copy and paste this a couple of times. Or no, this should be right side. Right side. Right side. See, wouldn't it be awesome if I could actually spell? There we go. So inside of these our divs here, ends left side. That should be end div. So there we go. So what that's doing is we're just creating another little message area right above all of our messages, and inside of that we're just going to display some information. It's not going to be dynamic, so that's why it's out of the while loop. It's right before it. So in our center, we're going to display subject and message. On the right side, we're going to say date, and on the left side, we're going to put in a input type equals checkbox, and scroll over a little bit, and the name will be select all, I guess, and the value will be nothing. Actually, we don't want a value for that, so the value will be that, and right next to that we're going to put an input type equals submit, name equals delete inbox. So we're going to have delete inbox, and we're going to have delete outbox for the inbox and the outbox. Value equals delete messages, and the class will be button. So let's refresh the page. Okay, so once we refresh the page, you see we have our little new row thing, I guess you can call it. And because the delete messages thing is so big, it takes up so much, the delete messages button takes up so much space. I'm just going to change the text to delete. So, delete. So, we refresh, and it's still all the way over there. Why is it all the way over there? Left side, input type checkbox. Huh. That's weird. Let's go to our layout page. Scrolls is up. Our messages. 150. That could be it. Change it to 200. Okay, well, that's entirely too much. So let's change that back to 150. Okay, so I really don't know why it's putting that all the way over there. Maybe it's because we have everything else as a span class. So if we set this to a span class equals toggle and end the span over here. So we end the span right after that. Refresh. No. Okay, well, whatever. That's where it's gonna be, I guess. So I'm gonna hit Control Z and get rid of all that. So we have this now. So move my cord. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna copy and paste this, and we're gonna paste it right here for our outbox area. So we're just gonna copy and paste that echo. Scroll down right here. Paste it right there. We're going to change this name to delete outbox. So we're going to do that. And also what we have yet to do is we need to start our form. So we're going to say form action equals, and the file was delete underscore message dot PHP, and the method is a post right there. So we're gonna copy and paste that as well, and oh no, too far. There we go. So we have our action there, and right after our while loop, we want to end the form. So we want to have echo end form. So we want to end the form right after our while loop. So right there. So if we refresh, you see we now have all of this, our beauty, if you will. So yeah. So I'm gonna stop this video here. In the next video, we will get to the actual coding of our delete page. So check out the next video. Thanks for watching.